Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, my name is Sanjna and I talk all things Australian personal finance. So that's from real estate investing to cryptocurrency to NFTs, but also this year I want to delve into the world of stocks and ETFs. So if that's something of interest to you, then please do subscribe to my channel down below and let's get started on today's video. So as you can tell by the title of today's video, I'm going to talk about my 2022 cryptocurrency investing strategy. Now, I thought I'll do this video to start off the year right and let you guys know what I'm doing with my money, how I plan to invest it for not only cryptocurrency, but also for my NFTs as well. So very briefly, I just wanted to give a quick market update and why I'm talking about cryptocurrency this year. Now, one of the main reasons is that cryptocurrency is usually seen as a hedge against inflation. Now, I'm going to refer to an article here that I've got. We've been seeing the rate of inflation increase all around the world, and many have opted to invest into assets that are actually rising higher than the rate of inflation. Now, because of the rising rate of inflation, we are seeing the value of fiat currency, which is your government currency, whichever country you're in, we are seeing the value of that diminish over time because the purchasing power for that same dollar is eventually going to decrease. So for that reason, we are seeing a lot of institutions, a lot of consumers delve into the world of cryptocurrency. We all know that cryptocurrency and Bitcoin in particular, we have seen some strong year-to-date returns, outshining traditional hedges by rallying over 130% compared to gold's 4%. In addition to this, there's also an increased institutional adoption, sustained appetite for digital assets based on weekly inflows and growing exposure in the media, which strengthened Bitcoin's case amongst weary investors. Now, a recent survey found that 72% of the UK financial advisors have actually briefed their clients about investing into cryptocurrency, with nearly half of the advisors saying they believed crypto could be used to diversify portfolios as an uncorrelated asset. Not only this, but we've also seen PayPal look into launching its own stable coin as the company grows its crypto business, which was confirmed to CoinDesk just last Friday. So sources told CoinDesk in September that PayPal subsidiary Curve was actively working on developing a stable coin. Now, we're seeing a lot of these major institutions, organizations jump on board, and a lot of them may not be revealing what they're doing in terms of their cryptocurrency projections, but I can guarantee you that this is definitely something that is being spoken of, and a lot more eyes are on cryptocurrency this year than ever before. And of course, as we obviously saw last year, Facebook changing their name to Meta has really got a lot of eyes around the metaverse in terms of the crypto space. We are seeing so many more people talk about the metaverse, and recent video games around Decentraland, Sandbox, Axie Infinity, they are representing the top metaverse NFT games today. So as we can see, this is so popular. There is just so much information around this. There are so many eyes around this field, and I think that if you're not in cryptocurrency at this point, then definitely do your research, see if it does align to your financial goals, your values, and then make your decision accordingly. So this brings me to today's sponsor, which is Swyftx. I personally use Swyftx myself to manage my cryptocurrency. It is my preferred cryptocurrency platform here in Australia, and I have an awesome offer for you guys. So if you're interested in opening up your own cryptocurrency account, then if you click the link in the description box down below, you'll be able to get $20 worth of free Bitcoin just by signing up. I personally really enjoy using Swyftx. They've also got their phone app as well, which is very easy to use, very much user-friendly. You've got a demo feature as well, which is something that I really enjoy, and it's great for beginners, great for people that are looking to venture into cryptocurrency but don't know how the platform actually works. You can play around with dummy money and just test the waters and see how you feel. Not only that, but they do also offer one of the lowest cryptocurrency fees around at the moment, and they always are introducing new cryptocurrencies to their asset list. So what are you waiting for? If you're interested, then check out the link down below and you can get started with investing. Okay, so let's get into my cryptocurrency strategy for this year and what that investment strategy looks like. So let's talk about DCA, dollar cost averaging. So dollar cost averaging is essentially where you are not timing the market, but you are allowing yourself to have more time in the market, which I think is so much more important. And because of the volatility around cryptocurrency and any asset for that matter, I think it's very important to dollar cost average, because then you can balance out the volatility and it doesn't make you feel as stressed. So instead of investing a large amount at once, essentially what dollar cost averaging is that you invest smaller amounts over a period of time, just because if you invest all that money at once at that one particular time, you just don't know how the market is going to perform the next day. You may lose all your money. So if you're investing a smaller amount every time, every so often, and if the market is going down, you aren't going to be majorly affected. So like last year, I'm going to be putting away $2,000 every single month into cryptocurrency. It's something that really works well with my financial goals, my decisioning, and what I want to achieve in terms of my net worth and my goals for this year. I've currently got a goal of reaching $500,000 in my net worth this year. Currently it is sitting at a little over $300,000, but I do aim to chip away at it, and dollar cost averaging is really going to help me do that. So how do we actually do this on the Swyftx platform? Essentially what you're going to do once you have logged in and created your account, you're just going to click on the reoccurring orders tab on the left of your screen, and that will take you to your reoccurring order. So essentially what this is that it allows you to deposit money to Swyftx on a regular basis and automate the purchase process across multiple crypto assets at once. So basically you can now automatically buy all of your cryptos at once, as often as you like as well. So you can go through and have a look as to how you set this up. Unfortunately, there is no demo feature available for this, but if you follow through the instructions, it's super easy. Okay, now let's talk about staking. So what is staking? Staking, as per the definition on Swyftx, because that's where I personally stake my cryptocurrencies, it is essentially a process that allows you to receive rewards on the cryptocurrency that you currently already hold in your wallet anyway. There are no fees associated with this, and your rewards are automatically added to the total balance of the staked cryptocurrency that you hold. So let's say, for example, you hold some Polkadot. If you go ahead and stake that Polkadot, you'll be able to receive rewards every single day in the form of Polkadot, which ultimately just adds to your balance. And you can very easily stake your cryptocurrency and also unstake it as well if you wish. There is no lock-in time periods as well. So as you can see here, I've got about $11,700 staked at the moment. So my next expected payout is about $2.40. And then we've got the total staking rewards, which sit at about $131.45, and that is all for me really not doing anything. I've just staked my money and I'm earning a passive income. I did actually create a YouTube video on this recently where I take you step by step on the staking process and how you can do this for yourself. So I'll link that down below and be sure to check that out. Let's move on to NFTs. What are NFTs? NFTs are non-fungible tokens. NFTs run on the blockchain system, as does cryptocurrency. So NFTs can really be anything that is digital, such as drawings, music, artwork. Some people are even releasing their first tweet as well and selling that. But at the moment, there is a lot of excitement around selling digital art, and that is what I've personally done. So at the moment, I have invested into two NFT projects. One is World of Women and the next is Boss Beauties. I have held these NFTs for quite some time, and for this year I am continually looking at investing more into blue chip NFTs. So these are generally of good quality, they are reliable, and they have the ability to operate profitably during bad times as well. For me personally, NFTs and cryptocurrency for that matter is something that I aim to hold on for the long term. It's not about a quick flip for me. It's something that I'm not really interested in. I would rather hold my assets for a period of time, as I have been doing for my real estate investments as well, and then reaping the rewards at the end of the cycle. So if you'd like to follow my investment journey for 2022, then be sure to follow me over on my TikTok and my Instagram page. They are both Success by Sanjna, Sanjna. I'll leave it on the screen. And if you do have any questions at all or any comments, then please leave them down below in the comments section and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. But that's it guys, I'm going to leave that video here. Hope you enjoyed it and I'll catch you in my next one. Thanks guys.